Today, we're unboxing the legendary BMW S1000RR in RC form. Let's dive in. The packaging is premium, just like the real deal. And there it is, that iconic racing red. The scale detail on this S1000RR is incredible. From the fairings to the wheels, it's a perfect miniature. Just look at those lines. Even at this size, it captures the aggressive spirit of the ultimate superbike. It comes with a high-precision remote, giving you full control over those sharp corners and speed runs. Ready to hit the track? This little monster is built for performance. The BMW S1000RR RC bike, speed, style, and precision in the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching.